Today topic is how to calculate building slab cement. Grade M15. Now we take the ratio of cement is equals to sand aggregate. The ratio of cement is equals to 1:2:4. 1 part of cement, 2 part of sand, 4 part of aggregate. Total ratio is equals to 7. Now total volume of slab B equals B length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. Length is equals to 33.5 into breadth is equals to 43.9 into height is equals to 0.6. Total 882.39 cubic feet. Now dry volume is equals to wet volume into 1.54. Dry volume is equals to 1.54 into wet volume 882.39. This to calculate we can get 1358.88 cubic feet. Now we can take the volume of cement is equals to ratio of cement by total ratio into dry volume. Total ratio of cement is equals to 1. Total ratio is equals to 7. Dry volume is equals to 1358.88. Now substitute is equals to 1 by 7 into 13 into 58.88. 1358.88 is equals to, we can get 194.125 cubic feet. Now number of cement is equals to volume of cement by volume of one bag. Volume of one bag is equals to 1.25 cubic feet. Now substitute is equals to volume of cement is equals to 194.125 by one bag is equals to 1.25 is equals to 155.3 bags, approximately 156 bags. Now volume of Now volume of sand is equals to ratio of sand by total ratio into dry volume. Ratio of sand is equals to 2. Total ratio is equals to 7 into dry volume is equals to 1358.88. Already we can done. Is equals to 388.25 cubic feet. The total sand volume of the sand. Total is equals to 388.25 cubic feet. Answer. Now volume of aggregate is equals to ratio of aggregate into total ratio into dry volume. Here ratio of aggregate is equals to 4 and total ratio is equals to 7 into dry volume is equals to 1358.88 is equals to 776.50 cubic feet. These are all the grade of M15. How to calculate building slab cement. Here building slab cement bags used 156.